Advantages of Crystal Reports. Crystal Reports offer security for end users cannot modify data which appear in the report. Unlike in HTML, users can modify the report data. It is also quick. Crystal Report layout is not transparent. With this, end users will not know about how the report was designed. Unlike in HTML, anybody can study the report layout and can copy the technology. Crystal Reports can be exported into different formats like PDF, HTML, XML, and many more. It has a drag and drop functionality for easy use. Lastly, it comes with VisualStudio.net. Disadvantages of Crystal Reports. End users need to have the Crystal Report viewer in their PC in order to see the Crystal Report output, but this can be overcome if users export the report as PDF or HTML. You need to buy Crystal Report license for each PC you are using to design the Crystal Report. Also, users must buy the version which allows you to install runtime components in end-user PC. It has a high cost on web. It has poor flexibility.
Thank you for helping me find the missing Crystal Report files.
Web Selective at your service!